Yo, what's up? Hey, I just wanted to get on here real quick and say and welcome you to the Profit Passports, Easy One Up, and all the other programs here. If you go on the Profit Passports, the different income streams. Well, the first one is Easy One Up. So you want to get on here and create. And you probably gonna get on here. So you probably already have. Create your account, get in here, watch the video on how to get started and get your position locked in. People are making money daily, sometimes up to $1,000 a day you can make. So, very good program. You got income stream number 2. Most of these you can go in, sign up, get your affiliate link, get it in here, get all this set up. David actually goes through with a nice video here to explain all that. So go ahead and get all this set up, guys. There's a lot of money to be made here. If you have questions, just let me know. You can connect with me on my Facebook page right here. I'm going to take you, so boom, right here. Facebook, Trey.Thornton.988. This is one of my Facebook pages. I have another one under the same name. If you just type in that name, they'll probably both pop up. But come connect with me. Let's make some money together. If you have questions on any of the stuff that you just recently got into, reach out to me. Let me know. This is your opportunity. A lot of people are staying home because of what's going on right now, and we're looking to make money online. So let's do that. So I enjoy doing this. I look forward to meeting you and talking to you. Reach out to me on Facebook. You can also, once you sign up for Easy One Up, I have my contact information in there. I also usually send out a quick text message to the phone number that you put in there too as well, if it's a mobile phone. So look forward to connecting with you. Let me know if I can help you. Connect with me on Facebook again, and I'll see you all on the inside. And congratulations, and I look forward to working with you. All right, later.